Hello friends, Tanya here with a product close-up video for the Treetops and Trimmings holiday release. We're going to go over the Ribbon Twirl Tree 6x9 stencil. It's a two-part stencil that creates a beautiful tree. There are etched lines to help you line up each image. We're going to use some Mowed Lawn and Rustic Wilderness Distress inks. You can use whatever inks you have, whatever inks you enjoy using. I'm going to apply the first color on this layer of the stencil. And you can do this with embossing ink. You can do this with stencil paste. You can do this with all kinds of things. You'll even see some examples where the design team members used probably the Duo Transfer Gel to create some foiling on one of these layers. Now there are etched lines to help you line this up, and they are easy to see. You're also going to line it up along the edges of the tree, and you can see how that completes so nicely. I love the twist of this stencil. It makes me think of an ice cream cone, and that might actually happen at some point. I may make this into an ice cream cone. Now I'm using the darker ink to apply the second layer. You could use the same color ink with heavier or lighter application to create a little extra dimension. There is my green tree. Now I'm going to take this up a step, and I'm going to create a rainbow tree by using the 3 primary colors to create 5 colors because they're going to overlap. So I'm laying down the yellow first, and this is on the first layer of the tree. And as you can see, I believe I used the stencil that I used the second layer for. I'm using the first time on this one. You can also see that I am cleaning my stencil between each color change so I don't contaminate each of the colors. We are going to end with the, I believe this is tumbled glass, either that or salvaged patina, one of those two. I used candied apple red and squeezed lemonade as my yellow, and these are all the distress inks. Now we're going to flip and use the other portion of this stencil, the other layer, and we'll start with the yellow again. And I'm using the yellow on 3 of the stripe areas, following the previous color pattern. Again, cleaning between the colors. And we're going to get this beautiful rainbow gradient tree or ice cream cone or whatever else of a long triangular shape you want to make this into. I think this is going to make a beautiful project. I haven't created a project yet, but you'll see one coming up eventually. I'm just going to add the final details. We'll do our quick reveal, and you'll see a beautiful rainbow gradient tree. So we've got a green gradient and a rainbow gradient, and here are a few more examples by the design team using this stencil from the Treetops and Trimmings holiday release for October 2021. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to this channel, now's a good time. The link for this stencil is in the description box below. Until next time, bye-bye.